Every CAMALEAO Super CA Glue package proudly displays our 15% extra glue guarantee, whether you choose 2/0, 4/0, or 8/0 sizes. That's right, you get bonus adhesive, plus our full product details and brand story right on the packaging. Ready to see what's inside? Let's unbox together. Get the 2/0 Pro Kit and unlock 2 anti-clog caps with steel pins, 12 precision micro tips, 2.3 ounces of glue. Yep, that's 15% extra free. 1 instruction manual, plus a bonus set of CAMALEAO clamping stickers to hold parts in place while curing. Safety tip for nozzle pros: our anti-clog caps seal tight to prevent leaks. That's why you must use pliers to twist them on or off. Grip the base with pliers, twist firmly. Hear that click? Precision microtips help reach tough spots, but always insert them into the nozzle at an angle for a secure fit. More than just strong and fast,